Hi guys, welcome to Karma Verma reading. This will be the reading for Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. Yeah, I forgot to take a card for Aquarius people because they had a very beautiful love reading. I didn't even feel like they need a card, but since I don't know if any Aquarius watching this video, a card for y'all from the Venus and the Mars deck. Oh, angels or guardian angels. Oh, got it. So there's this energy of Mars which says when a woman spins out, like spins out is like in highlight. Okay, when a woman spins out, she becomes overwhelmed and overreacts situations. So it's a message for guys that do not take it too hard because that's how women react when they are very in an emotional turmoil of things and overthinking and other things like that. Do not take it personally. That's how they react to everybody and everyone. It could be their sibling, parent, office people. We try to calm down in front of office people, but in front of like friends, family, siblings, friends, lovers, we tend to act like that. Do not take it personally. Okay, let's keep moving forward with Pisces. And after the tarot, we're going to take one card from here, the Mars and Venus card deck. Let's see. Let's see what do Pisces have for August. And these are gun angels. What do Pisces have in store for August? Okay, let's see what do Pisces have in store for the month of August. Who angels or guardian angels? What do Pisces need to hear? My Pisces people, it fell off. Okay. Oomph. What do Pisces have in store for the month of? So they're like, okay, since it's come out, let's not put it back. Okay, we got a hat trick here, guys. The third time the Four of Pentacles have come out. Very interesting. 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Uh, Welcome to my channel, Pisces. So the energy which you have right now is you are in your power with the Emperor energy, Pisces. You're manifesting something which you want very desperately. Uh, One you wanted. You have two things in mind. One could be uh, emotionally you want something, and work. You're balancing out. You're in this energy of balancing out your work and your love life. Beautiful. I love this energy. And then in your past there was this commitment or a job. I see commitment of two people, could be marriage for some, or relationship commitment. I see twin flame connection, very strong. Twin flames, wow. Twin flame, this could be, if this person is triggering you, it's your twin flame in your life. What is helping you right now is in this zone of hangman and not reacting to the situation and being in your energy, enlightening yourself when you are out of the situation. You're not communicating right now. I don't see any talking. You're healing right now. You need to heal because you need to get out of the situation and work on your you're protecting your heart for some reason. It's not your money. You're working on grounding yourself emotionally. Yeah, and you're not sharing it with anybody. Maybe some friends in your group, but they see your tears. Your friends, they see your tears. But yeah, you're very healing. It's a self healing energy. Beautiful, Pisces. Love it. You're healing yourself. You know what you need to do. You're making yourself stronger day by day. Mm. And what I see is, people are seeing you as a, yeah, that people are seeing you like, I think you've only told your friends about it. Your parents see you in a very isolated energy. For some, I'm not sure. Parents see you in a very in your own zone, doing your, finding your own light. Pisces, you should be focusing on what makes you, what you are passionate about. Find it, search it, ask yourself. I think you know it already. It's in your head. It's in your very airy energy. It's in your head. It's in on clouds. I'm getting a message to write it in a book. What do you want to up? What are you, write on your book? What are you passionate about, and start doing it. Pisces, you're very defensive. You have a lot of suitors coming your way, but you're very defensive. Uh, Towards your heart, you're not in the mood to connect with anybody. You're not in a mood to go out on dates, meet new people. uh, you're just guarding your heart and working on yourself. You're not going out. There's a communication coming. mm, by who? This is interesting. There's a communication coming. Someone really wants to reach out to you. Who is, why is this eight of wands here? Why is this eight of wands here? Why is this eight of wands here? Yeah, you fought with somebody. That person wants to talk to you. Yes, he's very passionate about you. Wow. There's communication coming in August for you guys, Pisces, and they might just want to ask your hand in marriage. The Ten of Cups. They see a future with you. The outcome is marriage. Wow. Congratulations, Pisces, if you guys are gonna get married with someone who you fought with and you're healing. You both will heal. I think you're in a twin flame journey, Pisces. Uh, because I did see twin flame cards, a lot of two, three. And congratulations if it comes out for your best and you guys reunite, because uh, you really like this person and that person loves you too. They see you both see a happy family with each other. Interesting. Bye. See you, Pisces. Have a great month of August. Take care, and please like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Varma Readings, and follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook.